Hi everyone, today we are going to start our new unit on algebraic equations. Now in your previous unit, you would have looked at expressions. Now there is a key difference between an equation and an expression, but people often use it interchangeably, and this is incorrect. An equation is a statement that two things are equal. It consists of two expressions that are separated by the equal sign, and this is the key difference, the equal sign. Now, an equation is only considered to be correct or true if the left-hand side and the right-hand side are both equal to each other. Now, if we look at the first set of examples that are at the top of the page here, we can see that a very simple equation could be 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We see that the left-hand side here is equal to the right-hand side here. Very simple, very straightforward, and you've probably written equations like this many times throughout your learning. However, equations can be written a little bit differently. Okay, as long as both sides are equal to each other, we can say that an equation is true. So, for example, we can see that 7 times 5 is the same as 30 plus 5. Now, if we expand this out a little bit and we go, okay, let's look at both sides of the equation. We see that 7 times 5 is equal to 35. For this to be a true equation, the other side, or the right-hand side, must be equal as well. We have a look, 30 plus 5 is equal to 35. Therefore, if both of these are correct, then this is a true equation. Now, both sides of the equation can look differently. They can involve subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division. As long as both give the same value, we can say that the equation is true. Now, equations can also be false or untrue, and this occurs when the left-hand side and the right-hand side don't match up. And it is important that if the left-hand side and the right-hand side don't match up, that we do not use the regular equal sign. Okay? To distinguish whether an equation is false, we often use an equation or a sign that looks like this, and this sign means not equal. Okay, it is an equal sign with a dash through it. So if at any point you experience an equation within a question that is not equal, I would like you to adjust that equal sign to one that looks like this instead. Now, once you've watched this video, you can then go ahead and complete the questions below. These will explore both true and false equations.